What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a print-on-demand Etsy store and connect it to Printify in order to print your merch and sell it on Etsy. So the print-on-demand dropshipping business model is basically you choose a provider such as Printify, which has a wide catalog or wide variety of different products, different blank products that you can choose to print your designs on. So basically you provide Printify with the designs and you list your product on Etsy, which is a great online marketplace, not an online store where you have to go ahead and create your own store or your own website such as Shopify. Etsy is a marketplace where buyers can go ahead and search for your different merchandise that you list. So basically what that means, what print on demand means, is that you provide your design on, let's say, an apron or any blank product, and you leave your design there, you leave your listing there, and you list your product on Etsy or any shop. And when you get an order on Etsy here for a client, Printify will print your design on the product that you choose, and they'll handle everything from packing to shipping and delivery and everything, and you get to keep the profit of the price. So each item has a price on Printify, and you will list it for a price higher, of course, on Etsy, and you keep the price difference as profit. So let me show you how to do it. First of all, you need to go to Etsy, that's etsy.com, and you need to create an account there. So here I am on my account. As you can see here, I've created an account already on Etsy. And the next step is to go to Printify, that's printify.com, and you need to also create an account on Printify, which is pretty easy to do. Now, the next step is to connect your Printify account to your Etsy. And that's also pretty easy. You need to go here on the Printify dashboard or the Printify your main dashboard, your main homepage, and you go here to my new store, where it says my new store. Here I've connected my Etsy store to Shopify. However, I'll show you how to do it. So you need to click here on add a new store, and from these options you need to click on Etsy to choose Etsy, and a pop-up will appear saying that my Printify store is already connected to Etsy store. However, if they are not connected, another pop-up will appear that says, or that tells you to enter or sign in with your Etsy credentials. That's your email or username and password, and your account will be connected. So here my account is connected, and I have here like a test product that I was testing, and now that they are connected, I can go ahead and add products here, and they will be shown on my Etsy store. So let's go to the catalog here. Make sure the Etsy store is connected, the Etsy store that you connected. And this is another product that I was trying on. So let's delete it. Okay, let's delete this product. And here you can browse products from the catalog on Printify. So they have a wide variety of blank merchandise, such as men's clothing, women's clothing, accessories, home and living, like mugs, glassware, posters, postcards, like you name it. They have a wide variety of items. So let's select towels. And here you'll need to select your target marketplace, like USA or Europe, Australia, New Zealand. You can also filter by branding, print area, print providers, and price, and other filters here. And here you have the basic products. So a basic towel, here a soft towel, a beach towel. As you can see here, when you hover over a picture, they'll show you where your design will go and how it'll look like. So let's select the beach towel. Here you get many pictures and a description, and here you get the providers. This product only has one provider. However, for some products you can get multiple providers. Also, always, as a tip, always choose the providers with the highest rating. So never go below like 9 or 8.8 or something like that. And here they'll give you details for the price. So it's from $19.22. The standard shipping is $8.39. The production time is between 1 to 4 days, and this is different than the shipping time, so keep that in mind. The size, the print area, and so on. So here you get like a description, some key features, and some like measurements and so on. So let's start designing this product. And here you get a blank canvas of the towel where you can put your design. So you have here many options. You can upload a design from your computer, generate an AI design with AI. So you give the prompt and it'll generate the design, custom text, get images from Shutterstock, Dropbox, and so on. Here you can go to your library where you can get your previous designs, your templates, and graphics. So the graphics are like some ready-made designs that are provided by Printify. However, I do not recommend you using them because, of course, these are generic and many people, of course, have used them before. So what I recommend you to do is to go to canva.com, which is a great website that you can use to design and create virtually anything from posters to logos and everything. And here you can go ahead and create your design. So here are some designs that I created like in the past. I downloaded this one, so let's use this one for example, the color design here as an example. So let's go back here to Printify and let's click on new design, click on my device. And then here, this is the picture. Okay, it'll upload right now. And here it is, you can edit the size, like move it around, edit the alignment, and so on, and also edit the rotation. So let's say okay, this looks good right now. And here you can edit the width and the height and the background color. You can choose another background color. Okay, so let's keep it white for now. And the alignment, and you can also add other designs, so you can add many designs on top of each other. And for me, this looks good right now. Okay, let's preview. You can click on preview here to preview how, or to see how it will look like on the product itself. They give you a pretty good representation. Okay, this is how it'll look like, looking good. Here, if I like it, I can click on save product. And here they allow me to edit the details and to show images for front and context here. I like this one better, I'll show it. And here I can edit the product description. So let's name it like colors or color beach towel. And here the description, I can also edit it. However, I will not do it right now. The shipping providers are set here. And the variants, I have only here, this product only have one variance. I will select it. However, many products such as like clothing, t-shirts, and type of thing they have many variants such as size and colors. And here you can edit. If you scroll down, you can view here the production cost. So this is the cost per unit, 19.22, and the shipping. So it's like $28-29, and the shipping method is standard. And here, of course, you want to make a profit. So let's sell it for like $40, for example. And this is the retail price. So you want to edit the retail price. That's the price that will show on your Etsy marketplace or Etsy store or any store that you connect your Printify to. So let's enter $40. And here it'll show you that the profit per unit will be around $20. Okay, now I'm satisfied. If you do not want to show it, however, you want to keep the product, if you don't want to show it in your store yet because you want to make some edits to it, you can hide in store here. And once you are happy with all the settings and all the edits that you make, go ahead and click on publish, or you can save this as a draft, this product as draft. However, I'll just click here on publish. And here, as you can see, my product is now published and it's in stock here, and it'll show up on my Etsy store right here. So if I go to Etsy, I go to my Etsy store. Here you want to go to just, I'll show you how the product is added. I'll go here to my account and just click on your name here. And then click on your shop name. It'll appear here at the top right. And as you can see here, the product is shown here on my Etsy store. So that's how easy it is to create a print-on-demand Etsy store and get the products themselves from Printify.